Yes. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to our reading session. And today is our day 21st, last week. We have come to this journey on day 21st today. So, am I audible? Can you all hear me? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Okay. So, कल
Yes,
किसने
ma'am.
अपने हार्ट से
Yes, ma'am.
ओके कल किसने अपने हार्ट से प्यार किया और प्यार की बातें की, अपनी मन की बातें की? Yes, Ritu ji, आपने किया. Nivan, you did. Yes. Would you like?
Ma'am,
How
I
was the
did.
experience? Okay,
Yes,
Prakash.
ma'am.
Okay, so can you unmute and share one by one? How was the experience? How was the experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Experience was awesome. Literally awesome. I kept my right hand on my heart and then I start pampering and very politely, very with all gratitudes and all, I start talking to my heart. And then I realized like my heart was pumping as a happy sign. I feel like today my heart is really happy that I talked to him with full of gratitude, which I never done before. So it
Yes.
was really a very nice experience. And after that, I have taken my 3 dreams. I visualize slowly, one by one, and then I get each and each response for it. I was feeling very happy after talking to my heart.
Yes. So that was the experience. Very good. Very good. Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Who?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Who's?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, will you please disable screen sharing, ma'am? Because by mistake, ma'am, I have clicked on that. Will you please disable that?
करूँ, आपने क्या किया है? स्क्रीन शेयरिंग?
Ma'am.
हाँ, जब मैं
Yes,
करूँगी
ma'am.
तभी मैं कर दूंगी. Anybody
Okay, ma'am.
sharing? I want a sharing today.
Ma'am, I did the assignment.
कल आपने अपने हार्ट को पैम्पर किया, कितना वो काम करता है अपने लिए. एक्चुअली इसको भी तो मालूम पड़ना चाहिए कि he is there, the heart is there. तो किसने ये किया?
Ma'am, मैंने.
ये असाइनमेंट के I felt very nice. I felt that oh my God. So every time I do, I feel a different experience. That my heart is actually talking to me. And he's so great. He's so grateful to me actually that I'm acknowledging him. So
Yes.
what's your experience? Yes.
ऐसा होता है, मतलब आज तक कभी वो किया नहीं, कभी भी मतलब ग्रेटफुल नहीं हुए, थैंकफुल नहीं हुए उस चीज के लिए. लेकिन जब कल किया ना फर्स्ट टाइम, तो ऐसा लगा कि वो लिटरली बात कर रहा है अपन.
Yes,
मतलब
yes.
कैसे ऐसा लगा कि अलग से कोई एक वाइब्रेशन, स्लो हैप्पी वाइब्रेशन का साउंड कुछ माइंड में टिंकल कर रहा है अपने उस
Yes.
चीज का.
Yes.
वो
So
चीज
that
मतलब वो
is the thing
feeling
actually.
आई एक्चुअल में खुद को, जब एकदम पीसफुली बैठे हुए थे, हाथ रखा हुआ था, बातें कर रहे थे, पैम्पर कर रहे थे, थैंक यू, हर चीज के लिए थैंक यू कर रहे थे उसको. तो फिर ऐसे लगा कि आज वो इतना खुश हुआ है कि एक अलग टिंकल 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 माइंड में साउंड हो रहा है उस चीज का, वो पता चल रहा था.
Yes, yes.
तो अंदर से खुद को खुशी हो रही थी बहुत ज्यादा कि आज कुछ अच्छा किया, आज किसी को खुश किया, अपने ही अंदर के एक ऑर्गन को खुश किया वो चीज के लिए.
Yes. So that means ऐसे होके we are again coming in a happy zone.
Yes.
तो अपना वाइब्रेशन अच्छा होता है. That is what we are sending to universe. That
Yes.
is how we will get. So what you do is what you get. The law of attraction works over here like this.
मैं एक चीज बोलना चाहूंगी.
Yes,
अपने
yes.
बिहार से मतलब इस सेशन में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, सब ज्यादातर छोटे बच्चे हैं. तो मैं मतलब इन बच्चों को ही बोलना चाहती हूँ ये चीज कि जो मैम सिखा रही हैं, समझा रही हैं, वो लिटरली उसको फील करके और अपना असाइनमेंट करो. यू विल रियली फील बेटर. और अगर इतनी सी भी शेयरिंग है ना, तो शेयर करो. शेयर करने से और खुशी मिलेगी कि वो चीज हमने की थी तो उसका रियलाइज. जैसे आज मैंने अभी शेयर किया, तो मैंने कल किया, आज किया वो, लेकिन अभी जब मैम के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ ना, तो वो खुशी मुझे अभी भी फील हो रही है दोबारा से कि अरे हाँ, ऐसा भी हुआ था, ऐसा भी हुआ था. तो आई टेल टू ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स कि बच्चा लोग, आप लोग सब ये करो, ट्राई करो. छोटी सी फीलिंग्स भी आती है तो उसे भी शेयर करो, चाहे वो एक लाइन की, जरूरी नहीं है पूरे एक पेपर की बड़ी सारी फीलिंग्स हो, छोटी फीलिंग भी शेयर कर सकते हो. पर डू इट.
Yes, thank you Ritu ji. So that is what I'm saying. Even I am telling you कि आप शेयर करोगे ना, आपको भी पता चलेगा, आपको मालूम पड़ेगा when things are coming closer, आपको जब मिलती जाएगी तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कितना आपने वो चीज को ग्रेटिट्यूड किया है. क्योंकि all the time we are only blaming. तो blame
Yes.
है तो एक ब्लेम, जब एक कंप्लेन करते हैं, एक ब्लेम करते हैं, तो उसका 10 ग्रेटिट्यूड देना है, तो वी विल नॉट कम क्लोजर. तो जब हम हमारा जो भी ब्लेमिंग है उस लेवल पे आ जाएंगे, उसके बाद हमारा ग्रेटिट्यूड का वो पॉट चालू होता है. सो इज द टाइम व्हेन यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग योर थिंग्स. तो व्हेन यू आर नॉट गेटिंग, अगर आपको चीज अगर नहीं मिल रही है, तो आपको समझना है कि वो चीज पे हमने कितनी कंप्लेन की है, तो आपको नलिफाई करना है, वो जो कंप्लेन की उसको निकालना है हमारे लाइफ से और फिर आगे करना है. सो दैट इज आई एम सेइंग, अगर किसी को कोई भी चीज मिलती है, सो इफ दे कैन गेट, व्हाई कांट यू गेट? आपको क्यों नहीं मिल सकता है?
Ma'am, actually in this, each and everything is of feelings, inner feelings.
Yes, feelings, and it's very easy assignment. सबसे easy
Yes.
assignment, कोई difficult नहीं है. Just समझो और करो. Actually, it is so.
Nothing is impossible. Only that day-to-day life, this is each and everything is practical, which we have never done. But
Yes.
now we are trying to do. So when we will do it daily, by our practice, we will start more and more feeling, and then more and more gratitude for each and everything will start by our inner part, our inner
Yes.
soul. Actually, the main thing is that we have to feel each and everything with our inner soul to gratitude. Then
Yes.
it will work out.
Yes. Okay. So nobody has a sharing. Nobody wants to ask also something.
Ma'am.
Assignment? Yes.
Ma'am,
Who's
I
this?
did the assignment. I'm Pratham
Yes.
Parekh.
Okay. Yes. So how was your feeling? How was the experience?
मैंने जब किया वो my full body was energized.
Okay. और
पूरा आँख when I was tired after playing, and then I was very tired, so I just thanked God. So I let my play, and I thanked for my heart that pumps the blood, and then I also thanked the heart. Then the full body got energized, and the tears came out of my eyes a bit.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's really nice. Amazing, amazing. Okay. Who else? और किसी को share करना है? Okay. Now, who would like to? Yes, Nivan. Yes, Nivan.
Ma'am, I have a sharing, not for this heart one, but for the magical to-do list one.
1 minute. Who is sharing? Who is doing this? जो भी कर रहा है, please. मैंने setting करके रखा है. No, Nivan, you are doing this sharing, share screen.
No, I'm not sharing.
नो नहीं, मैं शेयर स्क्रीन की बात कर रही हूँ. प्लीज आप मत करो, मैंने सब शेयर करके रखा है, तो वो वापस डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट.
Ma'am, I can do it today.
Yes, Nivan, please, you were saying something.
Yes, ma'am. So for the magical to-do list, I manifested that day that I would get my magic stone back so much, and then the next, and I also did gratitude that the days when the magic stone was there, I could sleep positively.
So you found your magic stone, the magic rock.
Yes, ma'am. Yesterday I found it.
Found it, जो घूम गया था, मिल गया आपको. Very good. See, this is the magic. Yes, very good, very good.
It was in my wardrobe.
Oh, okay, good. Chalo, very nice, very good. All right. Okay, so nobody has any sharing now more. So
Ma'am, today I am read.
I want somebody else to read because I want to, it's a faster thing actually. Nivan, can you read fast? Yes. So I will just do the share screen. Yes. Nivan, can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Day 21.
1 minute. Yes. Now you can start. You can start. You have mute yourself. 1 minute. Yes. Now start.
Yeah.
Huh.
Day 21. Magnificent outcomes. You say grace before meals. All right. But I say grace before the concert and the opera, and grace before the the play and pantomime, and grace before I open a book, and grace before sketching, painting, swimming, fencing, boxing, walking, playing, dancing, and grace before I dip the pen in the ink.
Yes, please continue. G.K. Chesterton.
G.K. Chesterton, 1874 to 1936 writer.
Okay, so what does this mean? You say grace before meals. You know, हम देखते हैं पंडित है, जो भी पोप होते हैं क्रिश्चियनिटी में होते हैं, तो बिफोर वो खाना खाते हैं उससे पहले वो ब्लेसिंग्स देते हैं, खाने को ब्लेसिंग देते हैं, एनर्जाइज करते हैं. So the author is saying कि ठीक है, हमें खाने को तो हम सब करते हैं, whoever is doing it, वो तो करते ही है, लेकिन I also give gratitude before my concert. अगर मैं बुक पढ़ना चाहती हूँ तो I give my great gratitude to that. I give gratitude to before I start playing my game. जैसे अभी आज मेरा अपना चैप्टर था मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम्स, तो मैंने जब मेरा ये सेशन चालू करने से पहले मैंने बहुत ग्रेटफुल किया कि आज मेरे पास बहुत शेयरिंग आए, and I got some sharings. So मैंने पहले जो मेरा ये जो I'm going to do this reading session, उससे पहले ही मैंने gratitude दे दिया for the magnificent outcomes, means what I wanted from that thing, from my this session, what I wanted, जो outcome मुझे चाहिए था उसको मैंने gratitude किया पहले ही, और फिर मैंने मेरा लैपटॉप चालू किया. So even you all also can, before you do any task, कुछ भी जैसे पढ़ाई से पहले, you can give gratitude कि आपका चैप्टर अच्छी तरह से आपने लर्न कर लिया है, को आपको समझ में आ गया है. What you want your outcome to be. अगर यहाँ पे हाउसवाइफ हो या कुछ खाना बनाना हो, तो उसको पहले ही आपका आउटकम हो जाएगा. You give gratitude कि जो मैंने खाना बनाया है मेरी पूरी फैमिली को बहुत अच्छा लगा, they are nourishing their body, it's being very healthy for them, and they are saying, and they loved it, and they are saying that it's cooked so well. अगर आप डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे हो तो आप उसका कि you want your reports all to be normal, so you give that gratitude for that outcome कि आपको चाहिए कि आपकी रिपोर्ट एकदम नॉर्मल हो. So you start giving that gratitude before that thing. कोई भी चीज करने से पहले उसको gratitude दे दीजिए जो आपको end result चाहिए. So this is the chapter today. It is all about that. Okay. Yes, please continue.
We all want good outcomes to everything we do. In giving thanks before he performed an action, the writer Gilbert Keith Chesterton used the magic of gratitude to guarantee the outcome he wanted.
Yes, so he says it's a guarantee. अगर आप दे रहे हो आपका outcome जो आपको result चाहिए उसको आप gratitude दे रहे हो, तो it's a guarantee that you will get. But how much you give and what feelings are attached, that will all depend on that. Yes, please continue.
You will have had times when you thought to yourself, I hope this goes well, or I hope this turns out okay, or I'm gonna need a lot of luck. All these thoughts are hoping for a good outcome to a situation. But life doesn't happen by chance or because of a stroke of luck. The laws of the universe operate mathematically to the finest possible degree. That is something you can count on.
Yes, so sometimes हमारा कुछ भी काम हो तो we say ना, I wish मेरा ये काम हो जाए, या I wish मैं मतलब मुझे अच्छा इसका रिजल्ट कोई भी चीज है तो अच्छा मिले, या मेरा आज मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ तो मेरे एम्प्लॉयज इतने सब काम करके रखे मेरे लिए, या मैं घर पे हूँ तो मेरे मेड्स है या मेरे हेल्पर्स है तो जो सब करके रखे. तो we have that thing in our mind. But how much you will get will depend upon the degree, जो mathematical degree है. अगर आपने 5% का gratitude वो चीज में दिया है, so outcome will be also 5%. You cannot get कि आपने थोड़ा gratitude तो आपको लगे कि आपका result बड़ा आएगा, नहीं, it will never come. जितना आपने gratitude दिया है feeling के साथ, उतना ही आपको outcome मिलेगा, उतना ही आपको output मिलेगा. That is the universe. It operates on mathematical. Sometimes वो काम नहीं भी करेगा because you must have वो situation को आपने इतनी blame कर दी हो. जैसे मैं जा रही हूँ मेरी फ्रेंड के पास है, you keep saying this friend keeps complaining, वो हमेशा उसकी सास की बात करती है, उसकी फ्रेंड की बात करी, वो हमेशा कंप्लेन ही करती है. तो जब आप उनको मिलोगे तो you are not going to get a good feeling, क्योंकि आपने उनको कितना कंप्लेन किया हुआ है कि वो आपकी फ्रेंड ऐसे ही बात करने वाली है. But if you have given her 10 gratitude, उनको उनके बारे में 10 चीज अच्छी बोली हो, and then you said, yeah, okay, now when I meet, I'm going to have a good time with her. मुझे इतनी मजा आने वाली है, वो इतना jokes बोलने वाली है, and I'm going to really have a very wonderful time with her. Then only your time will be wonderful with her, because you have given, आपने जो ब्लेम किया था उसको आपने नलिफाई किया, और फिर आपने उनको भी ग्रेटिट्यूड दिया, प्लस आपने जो आउटकम था उसको भी आपने ग्रेटफुल हुए. इसके लिए योर possible degree will also be depending upon how much you give that feeling in that meeting your friend. Okay. Yes, please continue.
A pilot doesn't hope that the laws of physics will keep working during his flight, because he knows the law of physics will never fail. You don't go into your day and hope that the law of gravity will keep you on the ground so you don't float off into space. You know there's no chance at play, and gravity's law will never fail.
Yes. So how a pilot knows when he is flying what happens? वो plane को नीचे नहीं आने वाले. अगर वो the law of physics is going to still work. Even your law of gravity. हम जब चल Reha, please, I don't like this thing. Actually, don't keep doing this. It's really disturbing when I'm explaining. So जब हम पायलट है तो उनको मालूम है जब वो फ्लाई कर रहे हैं एरोप्लेन तो वो उड़ने वाला ही है, वो आकाश में रहने वाला ही है. It's not going to come down easily. I mean, it's just not going to come down suddenly till he doesn't want to come down. So same way, even our gravity, the law of gravity, we are not going to start flying or float. We will also be walking only. अगर हम ऊपर से अगर हम suppose ऊपर से गिर गए तो नीचे ही आने वाले हैं. हम ऊपर से वापस ऊपर नहीं चले जाएंगे. So it works no matter what. It is still going to work, and we know it works because it can never fail. So same way our gratitude also. So they're comparing अपना gratitude also will also work. Only thing you need to have your belief. You need to have your faith. Then only it will work. Yes. Please continue.
If you want magnificent outcomes to everything you do, then you have to use the law that governs outcomes, the law of attraction. That means that you have to use your thoughts and feelings to attract magnificent outcomes to you, and being grateful for magnificent outcomes is one of the simplest ways to do it.
Yes, so you have to give the gratitude to the magnificent outcome. जो आपको outcome चाहिए, जो भी चीज आप कर रहे हो, that you have to give gratitude. And this is the most easiest thing to do. Most easiest thing. Yes. So how we have to do it? Now they're going to explain. Pratham, I will tell you to read after this paragraph. I will tell you to read. Okay? Yes. Devan, please continue.
The magnificent outcomes practice is being grateful before you do something you want to go well. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to the work meeting, job, interview, or exam, the magnificent outcome to the sports game, phone call, catch up with a friend, or seeing your mother-in-law. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to your exercise routine, your pet's vet appointment, or your medical or dental checkup. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome when an electrician, plumber, or any tradesperson is addressing a problem in your home, the magnificent outcome to a family outing, conversation with your child about the behavior, or heart
with your partner.
Heart with your partner. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome to the purchase you will be making, such as a birthday gift, engagement ring, or wedding dress, or the magnificent outcome to choosing a new cell phone, new carpet, drapes, or renovation company. You could be grateful for the magnificent outcome for a reservation at the restaurant, or great seats for a concert, the magnificent outcome to your daily meal, your daily emails, or your tax refund for the year.
Yes. Thank you, Nivan, for reading for all of us in English. Now, Pratham, you can.
Thank you, ma'am, for letting me read.
Yes, okay. Now, Pratham, you can continue, but let me explain this. So, you can give कुछ भी आप काम आपके मन में जो सोचा हो, anything that you have thought for today, आपका जो भी routine होता ही है, या आप meeting में जा रहे हो, और even आप आपके बच्चे का behavior, you want to have some quality time with your child. You can give that gratitude before that. Today, I'm going to spend a very good time with my child. I'm going to have a super, thrilling chat with my son or with my daughter. मैं इतनी मजा करने वाली हूँ, हम आज दोनों मिलके पिक्चर देखने वाले, या हम कुछ प्ले देखने वाले, या हम कुछ हंसने वाले, या कुछ सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर करने वाले, या हम कुछ डांस करने वाले. एनीथिंग दैट यू वांट, आप माइंड में सोच लो, और जो आउटकम आपको चाहिए, that today I spend a good time with my child. So you give that gratitude to that thing. अगर आपका कोई मीटिंग भी हो, या आपकी पेरेंट टीचर की मीटिंग हो, आपके बच्चे के लिए आप जा रहे हो कोई मीटिंग के लिए, सो यू कैन गिव दैट ग्रैटिट्यूड के वो जो टीचर बोल रही है आपके बच्चे के लिए बहुत अच्छा चीज बोल रही है, समथिंग लाइक दैट. या आप कुछ लेने जा रहे हो, शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हो, तो आप इतना अच्छा, आप यू स्टार्ट गिविंग फॉर द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम कि आपको वहां पे पार्किंग मिल जाए, आपको रोड्स फ्री मिले, आपको कोई ट्रैफिक नहीं मिले, सडन यू गो देयर, आपको जो आपके मन में जो डिसाइड किया, यू गेट दैट थिंग, यू डोंट हैव टू मूव टू वन प्लेस टू अनदर, पर आपको वो चीज मिल जाए. सो यू कैन गिव दैट बिफोर हैंड ओनली. So when you give all this thing, everything will be very smoothly. Even if you're going for a movie, but you don't know which seat you will get, okay, आपके बाजू में कौन बैठ रहा है, so you can give that gratitude to that thing that you want particular people to come in your thing. Yes? Okay.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Actually, there was some network issue actually from my side. So sorry, I just. Yes, now you can continue. You can see Pratham. Pratham, आप देख.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can start from it. If it helps you to believe.
Ma'am, the screen is loading.
Acha, okay. So I think there's some issue. 1 minute. नहीं आ रहा है, अभी तक नहीं आ रहा है. और किसी को दिख रहा है?
नहीं, ma'am.
नहीं दिख रहा है?
Stop share and start again.
Yeah, I will do that. 1 minute. Yes. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see, Pratham.
It's loading. It's loading.
Reading.
हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है?
नहीं, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो wait, I will change my hotspot actually. 1 minute, I'll just change my hotspot.
Ma'am, can I read from the book?
No, read from here only. Can you see now? Can you see now? Pratham, wait, I'll do that.
Ma'am, it's loading.
Okay, now you can see.
No, ma'am.
अभी तक नहीं हो रहा है. अभी I can see, you can't see. See now? अभी दिख रहा है प्रथम? Anybody
नहीं, ma'am.
can see? Tanushi, can you see? Tanushi, can you see?
No.
So why it's not loading?
Let me share screen. You read.
Yeah.
What page are we on? Number?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can see it.
Okay.
You
It
can
comes.
see. Okay, yeah. Okay, read. If it helps you believe.
It helps you to believe in the magical power of gratitude to create magnificent outcomes. You can wave your finger through the air and imagine you are sprinkling magic dust over the event you want to turn out magnificently. Another time.
Yes, so even आपको अगर कुछ आपको magnificent outcomes चाहिए, तो even in the air you can just do that thing, fingers just wave out air में as though you are doing magical dust, okay, to that outcome. Even you can do one. This also assignment can be done. Yes, please continue.
Another time to use gratitude for magnificent outcomes is when something unexpected
Happens during your day. क्या हुआ प्रथम नहीं दिख रहा है? It's not showing.
No, ma'am.
I can see. I'll read.
Yeah, please read. When something you can read. You can read.
I can read.
Yeah, so please start reading.
When something unexpected happens, very often we can jump to conclusions and immediately think there's something wrong. For example, you arrive at work and are told that the boss wants to see you right away. The problem with jumping to conclusions and thinking there's something wrong is that the law of attraction says that what you think and feel you will attract to you. So instead of jumping to conclusions and thinking you might be in trouble, something's come on the screen.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
Take the opportunity. So instead of jumping to conclusions and thinking you might be in trouble, take the opportunity to make the magic happen by being grateful for a magnificent outcome.
Yes, so sometimes हमारा कुछ unexpected हो जाता है, जैसे हमें अपनी मीटिंग अरे we are going to office और बॉस बुला देता है, तो उससे पहले हम बोल देते हैं अरे why is he calling, we start getting worried. या हमारे पेरेंट्स की कोई अपने बच्चे की टीचर बुला देती है हमें स्कूल में, so again we start worrying why she called you, so before jumping, why should we jump? Before jumping to conclusion, you can have this lifeline for yourself. Give gratitude to that situation, what you want. आपको अगर चाहिए हमें बॉस में से बहुत खुश है और चाहिए कि बॉस is praising me, तो give that outcome को gratitude. If the teacher has called you, so give that gratitude that no, she's called me to praise about my child. So you can do this thing. You have this opportunity right now to, rather than jumping on conclusion, you can have this thing. You can use this lifeline as giving them as gratitude. Yes, please continue. Mute yourself.
If you miss your bus or train on your way to work, or miss a flight, or are unexpectedly delayed, instead of thinking this is bad, be grateful for the magnificent outcome so that you put the magic into motion to receive a magnificent outcome.
You can see if you are a parent.
If you're a parent and you're asked to attend an unexpected meeting at school about your child, instead of thinking there's a problem, be grateful for the magnificent outcome. If you receive an unexpected phone call, email, or letter, and the thought flashes into your mind, I wonder what's wrong, immediately be grateful for the magnificent outcome before you pick up the call or open the email or letter.
Yes, so today be alert. Actually, अगर आपको कुछ भी आपको ईमेल खोलना हो या आपको व्हाट्सएप खोलना, किसी का व्हाट्सएप आया हो, तो आप मन ही मन आपको ग्रेटिट्यूड दे सकते हो कि नहीं, अगर मैं खोल के मुझे कुछ अच्छी न्यूज ही मिलने वाली है, मुझे कुछ अच्छा ही कुछ दिखने वाला है, और I'm going to see something which is going to make me happy. तो आप पहले से ही अपने माइंड में सोच सकते हैं and give gratitude. या आप मेल खोलो या ईमेल खोलो या आपको लेटर आया हो या आपको कुछ भी अगर फोन भी आया हो, तो बिफोर दैट ओनली यू कैन गिव कि जिससे मैं बात करने वाली हूँ और या करने वाला हूँ, तो मुझे कुछ अच्छी ही न्यूज मिलने वाली है. सो यू कैन स्टार्ट गिविंग ग्रेटिट्यूड बिफोर हैंड. यस, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम
you will see and experience the magnificent outcome you asked for, and occasionally you won't even know how you benefited from an unexpected event.
Yes, so you
But
don't
when
even know जब आप gratitude दे देते हो, see from an unexpected event, आपको मालूम भी नहीं था किसका फोन क्या आया, लेकिन फिर भी you will feel that कि जो उसका outcome आया, you will feel very happy about the whole thing. Yes, please continue.
But when you ask for a magnificent outcome and feel sincerely grateful for it, you are using the mathematical law of attraction, and you must receive a magnificent outcome back somewhere at some time, guaranteed.
Yes, so she guarantees, ये guarantee है. Yes, please continue.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen. Ma'am, you can let Tanushi
Yeah,
read,
Tanushi,
because
yeah.
I can't see the
Yes.
screen.
Yeah, Tanushi, can you see?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where should I start from?
Whenever you find yourself
Whenever you find yourself thinking there's chance at playing with something in your life, or thinking you have no control over something, or when you find yourself hoping something will turn out well, remember that there's no chance for the law of attraction. You will get what you're thinking and feeling. Gratitude helps protect you from attracting what you don't want, bad outcomes, and it ensures you get what you do want, magnificent outcomes.
yes, so when
When
you're thinking about 1 minute, and so whenever you find yourself thinking a chance, actually ये जो भी होता है, it's never by chance, it's never a coincidence. It आपकी लाइफ में जो भी होता है is because you have attracted it, you have thought about it, आपकी feeling हुई है, इसीलिए वो चीज हुई है आपके पास. So when you start giving gratitude, तो एक तो आपको you will never be in the negative zone, and second thing you will be closer to your dream. जो भी आपको चाहिए वो आपको मिलेगा. Yes, please continue.
when you are grateful for the magnificent outcomes, you are using universal law and changing hopes and chance into faith and certainty. When gratitude becomes your way of life, you automatically go into everything you do with gratitude, knowing that the magic of gratitude will produce a magnificent outcome.
The more you practice,
The more you practice magnificent outcomes and make it a daily habit, the more magnificent outcomes you will attract into your life. Less and less you will find yourself in situations that you don't want to be in. You won't find yourself in the wrong place at the wrong time. And no matter what happens in your day, you will know with absolute certainty that the outcome will be magnificent.
yes. So when you practice this, that you will know means आपको जो negative होगा, that you will attract less and less, because you know now you will not be in a negative zone. Plus आपको मालूम है कि आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको कोई भी situation के लिए what you want your end result, and you are going to pay your gratitude. So you know what it is going to be your end result, and you will also not have any negative, and less you will attract this in your life when you start doing this practice. Yes, please continue.
At the beginning of today, choose 3 separate situations where you would like magnificent outcomes. You can choose 3 things that are important to you in your life currently, such as a job interview coming up, an application for a loan, an exam, or a doctor's appointment. You can also start by selecting 3 things that are normally humdrum activities for you. Because when the magic happens to those humdrum activities, you will be really convinced that you attracted the magnificent outcome. For example, you could choose your drive to work, doing the ironing, going to the bank or post office, picking up the kids, paying the bills, or collecting the mail. Make a written list of the 3 situations you've chosen for magnificent outcomes. Use gratitude's magical power, and as you write each one, imagine that you're writing about each one after it has happened. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash.
Yes, so the first assignment is आपको तीन आपके जो भी आज के जो भी है, आपको कहीं पे जाना हो, शॉपिंग जाना हो या कुछ भी करना हो, सो तीन सिचुएशन वो आपको लेनी है और उसके बाद आपको थिंक करके, विजुअलाइज करके आपको लिखना है एज दो इट हैज हैपेंड। जैसे आपकी जो भी कल मीटिंग थी तो अच्छी मीटिंग हो गई, आपके बॉस ने आपको प्रेज किया, या आपकी एग्जाम थी तो आपका एग्जाम बहुत अच्छी गई है, या आप कहीं जा रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड के साथ तो आपके फ्रेंड के साथ यू हैड अ वेरी गुड टाइम। So that you have to think of three situations of that. Even you can think of तीन छोटी सी, जैसे कोई हाउसवाइफ है जो आप कुछ खाना बना रहे हो तो क्या आपका खाना बहुत अच्छा हुआ है, या बच्चे को लेने जा रहे हो, एनीथिंग जो डेली की हो, even that you can take, which is a monotonous, जो आपको मालूम है रोज आप करते हो, even those three situation you can take and then think about the outcome, उसका end result क्या होगा, and then you write थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम टू, जो भी आपका आंसर होगा वो जो आपको चाहिए, वो आपकी लाइफ में जो चाहिए, वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट आउटकम। सो तीन सिचुएशन आपको लिखनी है, बट फर्स्ट यू राइट इट डाउन। यस, ओके, देन द सेकंड असाइनमेंट, तनुषी प्लीज रीड।
For the second step of this magical practice, you are going to choose 3 unexpected things that arise today and use the magical power of gratitude for your magnificent outcome as well. You could do this practice before you take 3 phone calls, or before you open 3 emails or 3 letters in the mail, before you do an unexpected errand or anything else unexpected that comes up in the day. This part of the practice is not so much about what unexpected events you choose as it is about you practicing gratitude for magnificent outcomes on the little unexpected things. Every time an unexpected event arises, close your eyes briefly if you can and mentally say and feel the magic words, "Thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash."
Yes, so this is for the unexpected. जैसे कि किसी का फोन आ गया तो वो अनएक्सपेक्टेड था, किसी का अनएक्सपेक्टेड फोन आ गया, तो बिफोर दैट ओनली यू गिव कि हाँ मेरी उनसे बात हुई तो मैं बहुत खुश हुई, दैट यू कैन डू। या आप कुछ मेल खोल रहे हो, या कुछ आपका ईमेल खोल रहे हो, या कुछ लेटर आया है, या कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड कोई आपको फोन करके बोले कि मैं आ रहा हूँ, आपके गेस्ट आ रहे हैं, सो यू कैन गिव बिफोर हैंड ओनली दैट आउटकम व्हाट यू वांट इट टू बी, यू कैन बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट। सो तीन पहले तो जो आपको डिसाइडेड है कि आज आपको जाना है कुछ भी काम करने, सो दैट यू हैव टू गिव, और तीन है जो अनएक्सपेक्टेड हो, जैसे फोन कॉल हो, या वट एवर योर मेल हो, या ईमेल हो, या व्हाट्सएप का खोल रहे हो, या फेसबुक पे आप खोल रहे हो किसी का, तो यू कैन गिव दैट ऑल्सो ग्रेटिट्यूड। सो थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम टू एंड वट एवर इज योर आउटकम। यस, प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
You can't do this magical practice too much because the more you practice it, the more magnificent outcomes you will have in your life as a matter of course. But practicing it today will get you into the idea of it and in the future. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you're hoping for a good outcome or thinking you need luck, you will immediately turn to the magical power of gratitude and make magnificent outcomes a certainty in your life.
So whenever you are stuck with something, आपको नहीं पता है, start giving gratitude for the outcome that you want for that situation, and then see this magical power of gratitude that works in your life. Yes, please continue, Tanushri.
You have to change the page.
Yes, I've changed. Can you see?
Yes. Yes. Magic practice number 21. Magnificent outcome. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. At the beginning of the day, choose 3 things or situations that are important to you where you want magnificent outcomes. List your 3 things and write each one as though you are writing after it has happened. Thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. As you go through your day, choose 3.
You can read unexpected events.
Unexpected events that come up in your day where you can be grateful for a magnificent outcome. Each time, close your eyes and mentally say and feel, Thank you for the magnificent outcome to dash. Then just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yes. Thank you, Pratham, and thank you, Tanushi, for reading for all of us in English.
Thank
I'm
you, ma'am.
sorry for my bad network, actually. I don't know what is wrong because I'm not at home. I'm outside, that's why. Okay. So, आज का assignment है count your blessings that we have to do every day. 10 blessings लिखना है and write thank you, thank you, thank you. उसके बाद हमें तीन जो हमारी जो है which we are going to do, which we know, हमें कुछ भी तीन चीज लेनी है जो कहीं पे शॉपिंग जा रहे हैं, मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, कुछ भी है अपना तीन वो लेना है, उसको विजुअलाइज करना है and what you want the outcome to be. So you write thank you for the magnificent outcome for whatever आपका जो outcome आपको चाहिए वो. फिर उसके बाद तीन unexpected, जैसे आप किसी का फोन आ गया या आप कुछ खाना बना रहे हो या anything, कोई गेस्ट आ गया, anything whatever है unexpected, उसको भी आपको आंख बंद करके visualize करना है and what you want that outcome to be, that you have to feel grateful. जैसे अगर फोन आ गया तो that time for 1 second you can actually, before you pick up also, you can think that yeah, this person I'm going to have a good time. You can do that and think about that the outcome. Even one more इसमें लिखा था कि you can also magically dust them also, आपको कुछ भी चाहिए तो you can even do that assignment for that. So these are assignment and magic rock which we do every day. Samprada, please put that thing down. It's coming in my eyes. So you can take a magic rock, what is happening in your whole day, take one thing which is the best and say thank you to that. So these are your assignment and you can do it. And anytime also if you want some outcome to चाहिए आपको कि result अच्छा आना चाहिए. So do this exercise. So you will see the difference in that. Yes, okay.
Ma'am, I have a sharing.
Yes, please say. Please
I
share.
have done the magical check assignment.
Okay, fine. Okay. So did you आपने लिख दिया है आपने को जो लिखना था वो सब?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. और आपको रखना है वो जगह पे, आपको लेके नहीं घूमना है. आज किया आपने, today you did? आज आपने किया है? रेहा, I can't hear. म्यूट कर दिया आपको. रेहा, I think there is a network issue. रेहा, आपने आज किया है?
No, ma'am, I had done it yesterday.
हाँ, तो आपको अभी एक जगह पे रखना है, लेके नहीं घूमना है, उसको रखना है जहाँ आप रोज देखते रहेंगे उसको.
Yeah. Actually, I done it day before yesterday.
हाँ, तो फिर आपको अभी एक जिस जगह पे रख देना है जहाँ पे आप देखेंगे उस चीज को. ठीक है? Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else?
Ma'am, I've got one sharing to do.
Yes, Shobhaju. Yes.
Yeah. Ma'am, today I had to send some parcels to my daughter. So I make theplas and I get it vacuum done. So day before yesterday, that means on Saturday, I was calling so many people, okay, who's going to do vacuum? Because every vacuum shops have been closed down, as the ready to eat has been closed down. No one is sending it. So I was trying and trying. So I called up 2-3 persons. They said, no, it is not there. I found it from the directory everywhere. And they said, no, Ghatkopar mein bhi nahi hai, Mulund mein bhi nahi hai, Bhandup mein bhi nahi. But I had already done the thepla. So I had to get it done vacuum. Otherwise, if I send, they'll get spoiled. So just yesterday, when I went in the car, I thought, chalo, ek baar unke ghar jaake puchte hain, jahan humne last time karwaye the. So they said, no, we have COVID, so we can't do. So I asked them where you can do. So he told me 2-3 shops. So again, I went there. Then there also they said, no, ma'am, we are not doing it. So then I thought, my God, now they all will get spoiled. And we just started the car and we were going to go. So then a call came. He said, ma'am, आपने कहीं पे inquiry किया है ना कि आपको vacuum करवाना? I said, yeah. तो बोले हमारा चालू है. But I don't know how many days it stays, but we are doing the vacuum. So I said, you give me the address and ma'am, you will not believe that my car was parked just opposite the store.
Oh, okay.
And he said, ma'am, आप तांबे नगर में आ जाइए, वहाँ पे ये है. I said, I'm standing there only. तो बोले, ma'am, सामने देखो दुकान है. So I saw and I went there and I gave. So he did. We waited for 1.5 hours, but then he did it. I was so happy. So what today you're saying the magnificent outcomes? I was just thinking today's assignment is already fulfilled yesterday only.
यस, तो आपने वो सोच के रखा था जब आप गए तभी कि मेरा
हाँ, कि मुझे मिलना ही कोई ना कोई चाहिए, बिकॉज आई न्यू कि ओनली घाटकोपर वाला करता है वो, पर आई डिडंट वांटेड टू गो देयर बिकॉज 2 years बैक वहां से हमने करवाया था तो 32 kilos ऑफ माय फूड हैज बीन वेस्टेड. It started stinking nitrogen gas, so I didn't wanted to go there. So I was just telling to myself, नहीं कोई तो मिल जाएगा, कोई तो मिल जाएगा. Nothing else I was saying. I was नहीं कोई ना कोई तो मिल ही जाएगा. I will find out from people who are sending, you know. And then we thought of that. That time we thought चलो अंधेरी जाते हैं क्योंकि टिफनी में होता है, विलेपाले में टिफनी में होता है, so we'll go to टिफनी and get it done. पर जस्ट स्टार्टेड द कार और कॉल आया कि मैम आपको करवाना है, किसी ने मुझे बोला है आपको वैक्यूम करवाना है. सर या तो बोले हम लोग तांबे नंबर से. तो कहाँ पे तांबा? सर वो स्टैंडिंग इन तांबे. तो जस्ट सी ऑपोजिट ही दुकान का नाम है, फूड टाइप. ऐसे या तो बोला सो आई डोंट नो मीन्स मैं ऐसे एक्सपेक्ट करती हूँ कि जो थेपले वैक्यूम हुए वो 6 months रहेंगे एंड आई एम श्योर कि इट विल स्टे. तो बस एंड दैट वाज अ मैग्निफिकेंट आउटकम टुडे का. आज का असाइनमेंट तो मेरा कल ही हो गया पूरा. Or my heart, ma'am, when you're saying put the hand on your heart and you say, but I didn't have to put my hand also on the heart because my heart was only saying, no, it will be done. It will be done. Shobha, rest. It will be doing it. You're doing for Aishi, to ho jayega, ho jayega, ho jayega. And even my husband was saying, calm rakho, tu shanti rakh, mil jayega, mil jayega, mil jayega. Koi na koi to mil jayega. And in the last, we got it.
Yes. So you stayed positive throughout. तो इसके लिए आपका काम हो गया.
हाँ.
Yes. Okay. Very good. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else who would like to? Anybody else? Nobody. So आपको असाइनमेंट आ गया आज का. 3 लेना है आपको. मैग्निफिसेंट आउटकम जो आपका है, आपको डिसाइडेड है आपको किधर किधर जाना है, तो दैट इज ऑलरेडी डिसाइडेड. तो वो आपको है. एक तो वो असाइनमेंट है व्हाट यू वांट आउटकम टू हैपन, और 3 अनएक्सपेक्टेड. आपको कुछ भी अनएक्सपेक्टेड आ जाए तो यू गिव बिफोर हैंड, यू गिव ग्रेटिट्यूड कि वो चीज आपकी अच्छी हो. कोई भी आपको न्यूज या कुछ भी हो वो अच्छा हो. सो दैट इज योर असाइनमेंट फॉर टुडे. यस. Okay, thank you everybody for being a part of this session, and may you have
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, ma'am.